Welcome to the great outdoors. There's a million reasons why we call it the great outdoors. There's great mountains, not so great signal, no one to bother you, and basically tons of great reasons you should be out there. There's lakes that make you peel off layers, even if it's kinda chilly. There's hustling to the top, or just being lazy in the sun. There's the ones that take the hard path, and the ones just trying to find the path. Oh, there's pure silence too. Until, well, those guys. But the greatest part about the great outdoors, it doesn't care how fast you go or how high you make it. The great outdoors invites you to come as you are, which happens to be already pretty great. This is your hike. Make it your nature.